There is a voice that speaks to you all day long, a constant companion you carry within. This voice inside shapes your emotional climate daily, setting the tone for how you experience the world around you. Think of it as your internal weather system. Is it sunny and calm, or is it stormy and turbulent? The repeated internal language you use becomes this emotional atmosphere. Phrases like, "I can't believe I did that," or "I'm not good enough," can create a persistent fog of self-doubt and anxiety. This inner critic can be relentless, turning minor mistakes into major catastrophes. Imagine you spill your morning coffee. The harsh inner voice might say, "You're so clumsy, you always mess things up." The feeling that follows is one of frustration and inadequacy. But what if that voice were compassionate? In the same situation, a kinder voice might offer, "It's just a spill. Accidents happen. Let's just clean it up." The emotional result is completely different. A sense of calm, acceptance, and resilience. Your inner speech matters that deeply. It has the power to either amplify stress or cultivate peace. You can intentionally cultivate a more supportive inner climate. Start with 3 simple practices. First, when a strong emotion arises, simply name it. "This is anxiety," or "I am feeling disappointed." This act of naming creates a small space between you and the feeling. Second, try to reframe a negative thought. Instead of "I failed," consider "This was a learning opportunity." And third, the simplest of all, pause and take one conscious breath before you react to your inner critic. You can also introduce micro-affirmations, small, believable statements like, "I am capable of handling this," or "I can be kind to myself." Journaling is another powerful tool, offering a private space to observe your thoughts without judgment, to see the patterns in your inner dialogue and gently guide them toward a more nurturing tone. So today, take a moment to simply notice, listen carefully to your inner tone. What is it saying? And more importantly, is it kind?
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.